Homestead Homies! Welcome to Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. I'm Doug.
And I'm Stacy. And we want to tell you about this really great channel called Rain Country. They can do anything and they know everything. Wait a minute. You're no Doug.
And you're certainly no Stacy.
That's true. But we watch them so much that sometimes we feel like we're them.
Yeah, that's right. We want to shout out Doug and Stacy because they've been such an inspiration to us, and we feel that we know them so well. We also know that they have a past. We just wanted to come in here and just let everybody know how much of an inspiration that Doug and Stacy have been to us. They've been a big support to us and our channel to help us grow. They've been real good friends to us, so we just wanted to let them know how much we appreciate them.
Recognize these, Doug!
Like my suspenders, Doug?
Well, I first got into watching Off Grid with Doug and Stacy several years ago, and it was very inspired, especially by Stacy, because we have a lot in common. We both love to ferment. We both love to make our own this and that and all different kinds of things with healthy, natural, organic ingredients. And a lot of things that she said and did, either if I wasn't already doing it, I learned a lot more, and even the things I was already doing, I got new ideas and learned even more from her about why you should do it that way, and also just it encouraged me to keep doing what I was doing.
Right. And I would like to just say thanks again to both Doug and Stacy. They encourage people to homestead where they're at. We're only on 1/3 of an acre, but we're making do with what we have until we can do better. For those of you who live on a small piece of property, hopefully we're an encouragement to you guys because we're doing it on 1/3 of an acre. But Doug has always been an encouragement to the off-grid movement, to the self-sustainability,
right.
And we really appreciate that encouragement.
Thanks to Stacy. She was the one to first order a patchwork skirt from me. It was actually her idea to begin with, and she wore it the first time in their Thanksgiving video of 2016. And ever since then, I've been getting patchwork skirt orders, and I get increasingly more busy because of that. But it's been a real blessing because it helps bring more income here so that we can continue doing what we're doing here, and then hopefully eventually buy that bigger piece of property that we've got in mind. So they've just been a true blessing all the way around to us.
Well, what's really cool is, if you guys don't know, Doug built that cabinet there in that off-grid cabin, and that's the kind of things that really inspire me, because that is kind of what we would like to do at some point. Well, hey guys, do you remember this? Off-Grid with Doug and Stacy on YouTube.
What's up, Homestead Homies? Some of you who've been watching Doug and Stacy for a long time may remember back when they had their alpacas. And so this is the very fibers from those alpacas that they had. There's some beautiful colors in here, this nice brown, this tan, and this nice cream color. And one of these days when the skirt orders finally slow down, if they ever do, I finally start learning how to wash and card and get this spun into some real nice yarn for making all kinds of goodies. And I also want to show behind us, you'll see some of our pots growing blueberries and different things, and a lot of this was partly from the inspiration of people like Doug and Stacy, who are constantly encouraging people to do what they can with what they have right where they're at. And one of the first things we did when we got big into gardening was get these blueberries, and I have 6 of them, and they've been in pots for like 5 years, and they give us lots of berries. And that was one way to make the most of our small space. Right. So thank you, Doug and Stacy, for everything that you've done for us, for all your encouragement, your inspiration, and just being who you are and being our friends.
Check out Doug and Stacy, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you want to be a homestead homie,
go to their channel and don't forget to subscribe and get their notifications, and us too. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again, Doug and Stacy. Thanks for watching.
Take care.
And God bless.